In San Lorenzo in Campo, in the heart of the Marche region, a dream was born. The first of its kind, the Gusto wood oven was the first portable metal wood-fired oven to come to the market. The Gusto is an indirect cooking oven, utilizing two separate chambers. It's completely transportable. By simply sliding out the handles and utilizing the wheels on the cart, you can move it around like you would a wheelbarrow. It's completely encapsulated in insulation across the top, front, back, and underneath, and it gets up to temperature within 40 minutes, depending on the model. It's incredibly efficient and uses very little wood to operate. You have a combustion chamber, and then above that you have your cooking chamber. When you build a fire, the smoke and the heat run through the walls, across the top, and out the chimney, so the smoke never comes into contact with your food, but it radiates from all directions. Even so, it comes with a convection fan and a light. Inside your oven, you will notice that it is domed across the top. That ensures that you never have any ash or soot buildup above your cooking chamber. And its walls are predisposed for multiple rack use. It comes with a thermometer and a timer already installed as well. Like a standard convection oven with multiple layers, it will arrive with 3 separate racks. This allows you to be able to cook on 3 layers simultaneously. Below all of those is a refractory stone for you to be able to bake directly on the unit itself. Your Gusto oven also arrives with sheet pans, both half and full-length sheet pans. The interior side walls are removable so that you can clean it incredibly easily, and inside those walls there's also insulating stone. Once again, we have our refractory stone as the base of the unit where you can bake pizza or bread. Your combustion chamber is equipped with an oxygenation vent, and the chimney itself has a damper. This allows for perfect cooking control to be able to cook up to 750 degrees as low as 250 degrees. Down below in your cooking chamber, you'll notice that there's a grate for the wood, and then below that is a shelf or drawer where you can remove all the ashes. All the ashes fall down, and you can easily clean it. To start the oven, you make sure that the damper on the chimney is open, you start your kindling, close the door on your combustion chamber, and make sure that the oxygenation swivels are completely open. It's incredibly easy. It allows you to cook so many different things, perfect for pastries, breads, desserts, and of course, pizza.